Hi, I'm going to be reading Walk Softly, Rachel by Kate Banks. Here I go. Hey, it's night time. I'm just lying here in bed waiting for the Sandman to come. Mom comes by to say goodnight. Everything okay? She asks. I say what I know she wants to hear. Fine, everything's fine. I turn towards the window. The moon and stars are coming down to visit me. The sky is black and liquidy, and I'd like to take a run up there. I feel I belong there and not here. Why was I born into this bucket of slop? What am I doing here? Where will I go when it's all over? I can't sleep tonight. I have that electric feeling that moves through my body sometimes. Rachel is crying in the other room. She doesn't want to go to the dancing school. Mom is reading her a story. I wish she would read it to me, but I'm too old for that. I don't remember dancing school. Not the teacher, not the lessons. What I remember is standing at the bar in front of a mirror, towering over a dozen other girls much shorter than me. Feeling alone with my head in the clouds. I hope you enjoyed it and so.